How this virus will play out is largely dependent on its biology, but really how it interacts with our biology and, importantly, with our behavior. No country has demonstrated that it has sufficiently high levels of immunization so that the virus cannot replicate enough to survive in the community and circulation. The more transmissible the virus becomes, the harder it is to achieve that level of community protection, because the highly transmissible virus is better able to find someone that it can infect and then infect yet another. There are two distinct kinds of advantages you get from immunizing individuals and many individuals. For any one person, the vaccine does protect against getting the illness, and even more, with the new variants especially important, it protects against severity of illness, reduced hospitalization, and much reduced death rate. But the second level of protection is what's called community protection, or sometimes referred to as herd immunity. This is the level when there are so many people who have this increased level of individual protection that the virus cannot find enough susceptible new individuals to infect, and gradually diminishes and eventually disappears in circulation in the community. It's really important to have a kind of layering attitude. It's like, how many different layers of clothing do you have to put on to be comfortable in the cold weather? The layering approach begins with immunization, but above and beyond immunization, you can add a layer of protection by wearing a face mask. You can add a layer of protection by avoiding lots of people in an indoor environment. And when you have something like the Delta variant, which is more highly transmissible, that second layer of adding masks, especially indoors, even for immunized people, begins to make a lot of sense.